Now let's talk about the depth of field. Depth of field is the distance between the nearest and farthest objects in an image that appears acceptably sharp. Let me help you understand this. We have an object of interest here. There are other things around this object. Now, because this is an object of our interest, this area here is our field, which is the area we are the most interested in to have in focus. This distance here is the depth of field. We can control it. We can make it deeper or shallower. Deep depth of field means that we want to include more things in focus. And shallow depth of field means that we want fewer things in focus, for example, only the part of our main object. Let me show you some examples. In this image, we have everything in focus, so the depth of field is deep. Here instead, we have a shallower depth of field, so the wash basin is in focus, and the more distance between things around and the basin, the more blurred things get to be. When to use shallow depth of field? Use a shallow depth of field when you want to make your subject stand out from its background and you want to add some mystery to the image. For example, when creating a product visualization or vignette, or when you want to frame your images with some objects. When to use deep depth of field? Basically, if your goal is to have as much as possible in focus, use deep depth of field. Depth of field in software makes render time longer, so if your idea doesn't include this effect and you need to quick rendering, just don't use it. As we've already discussed, the depth of field is the byproduct of the aperture, so we can control depth of field by changing the f-number value. The lower the value, the shallower the depth of field will be created.